Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn car game in Python. Let's see, we'll ask a question to our ChatGPT, what we will get in a real world. These all are real world examples only we are getting. Alright, now write a car game in Python. Let's check it. Just what the example of a car game reference it will give us, we'll see. Just I'm curiosity about to understand what type of game it is going to be give us. Yeah, most of the car games we can also prepare using if else statements and loop statements also. If any found, definitely it will give us. So understanding and writing car game is required a little bit complexity is there. What the complexity? Yes, there is some buttons to be add and some buttons stop, start, take left, take right, engine on, horn. These are the many options we need to add to implement this game to using a joystick or a mouse keys to be allowed to prepare an implementation, right? It's a wonderful thing is happened here. Here is an example of simple car racing game in Python. How super easily we are getting a great example from AI. Let's see here. I'm also really wonder what you think about it. I don't know. I'm really wonder about to using. So if you know the basics standards clearly, then you will be master. So here in this example, game starts by printing a countdown message and waiting for 2 seconds and it's moving. So take a copy of code, come back to our PyCharm code editor, Python file, car game, game ChatGPT. Okay, now take a paste here and run. That's it. You need not to do any other things. So get ready to race. Go. Your car moves forward 4 meters. See, moving on, while loop is running and the car is keep on, it's moving using while loop statement. Time.sleep means it's a time threading. Threads program, it will be applied here. Waiting some causes and print means go. Now car position and finishing line is 100 while it is moving keep on. That's it. Random.ranDate function is applied. Your car moves is for the distance. What is the distance it's moving? And car position at the distance it's printing. And time.sleep 1 second it is waiting. Then it is initiating to continue while loop. How super easily we have learned such a great things. I really wonder. Truly. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Try to practice more and more. Thank you.